how to fix Skate controller not working problem. To do this, open your browser and type DS4 Windows, download into the search bar. Then, click the first result and click download on the right. Click download again to download the program. After downloading the program, right-click and select Extract All. Click Extract again to proceed. In the opened folder, double-click the DS4 Windows and then open the S4. Select Program folder or App Data and continue. From the options here, if you are using a DualShock 4, click these 4. If you are using a DualShock 5, click DualSense Device Support. The next thing you need to do is set your DualShock controller to X input. By doing this, you will switch your controller to Windows mode, which should solve the issue. Unfortunately, I cannot demonstrate this because I use an Xbox controller, and Xbox controllers do not require Windows mode settings. After switching your controller to Windows mode, you can check whether the Skate controller not working problem is solved or not. As an alternative solution, you can try unplugging your keyboard after launching the game. Some users on Reddit have solved the problem this way. You can also give this simple solution a chance.